All right, send that puppet down, please. Make sure that's catching that. We'll get this a little bit. Yeah. All right, up. Yeah, I'm thinking we're looking at maybe 5 buckets max. I'll get all the big chunks out first. Or bigger chunks, I should say.
Alright, get out the hole.
Right? Now that's called a load of crap. Hold on, wait. Alright, go ahead. Go ahead, bring it down.
Spin it by itself. All right. It'll spun up on itself.
Yeah, you're fine. Let me see what else I got here. I'm thinking this is going to be the last one, so. Alright, go ahead and take that, I'm sorry. It's going to be heavy. Yep. It's heavy, I'm sorry. 'Cause I'm going to have it one more time, I think.
No worries.
I was seeing if I could get it all in one shot.
So she said.
Right. Yeah, this is easier, what we're doing right now, than the gravel. Because the gravel was in full sunlight. At least this is in the shade.
Yeah. I unspin myself.
You're good. This one's going to end up being a light one, so. All right, go ahead. And then leave that
You
up
want to
there.
throw that stick in there as well? I'll haul that up. That too.
All right. All right. All right, everybody. I'll give you kind of an idea of what we got going on down here. All right, so we actually started digging in very little bit here. The focus was this month to get the corners more squared. So I'll turn around, I'll show you. Get them more squared. What we're going to do, I know a lot of people have a lot of concerns, and I get it, and they're talking about collapse and everything else. This thing is the hardest packed clay. You can't really tell, but it's like ridiculously hard clay. We've been digging through it with a jackhammer. And so, you know, yes, we're down 12 feet in a hole, so I'll go from here and I'll kind of work my way up and show you. We're in here pretty good. We're in here pretty good. Especially if you're looking at it this way, because if you look at it this way, then the hill goes up. So we're probably, from that angle, we're probably 15 feet down, to be honest with you. But anyway, what's going to happen, because this is so hard compacted and stuff like that, we're just going to put a slab down here on the floor. We're going to work on drainage out first, out this way, going down and then out through the hill, and have drainage that way. We're going to put a slab in here, in the whole area down here, and then we'll actually build the blocks off that slab. So what we're going to end up doing is I'm going to figure out where we're going to bring some blocks down and figure out where they're going to set rebar down first, if we can, because like I said again, this is like ridiculously hard. So anyway, what we may end up doing is just pour the slab first. I think that's what we'll probably end up doing. Pour the slab, then drill into the slab, set the rebar, put the block in where we need it as we go up. Okay, so you got a little bit of a jet out here, right? If you look at this side, there's a little bit of a jet out here. If you're coming up this way, it's pretty good here, and then you get about here and there's an issue. What we will end up doing is, if we have to slice through here as we are building up and as we work our way up with the block, we'll cut that back and slide that right behind the walls. Okay, obviously this is the first step of digging in here. And so what we're going to end up doing, so we get, let's say we do a 6-inch slab on the bottom. Then what we're going to have is a concrete block go across the entire bottom here. From that point, it'll be a step up into the bunker. Okay, this here will probably be, so here's the, that's not going to be the very bottom. We'll go lower than that. But let's say that was the bottom. We're probably going to come up to this level here. And then if I go higher, you'll see. So we're going to have a lot of material above us. Be able to walk in, step up, 6 to 12 inches, have that step into the bunker, and do it that way. So that's kind of the game plan. The entrance is not going to be this narrow. It will be fairly wide. It will come out probably from here, probably to about here. They'll be coming up from the corner. There'll be a block on this side after we get the blocks across the entire bottom. There will be a block up this side. There will be a block there, and then above where we are digging into will be where we'll have a top come across there, and then it'll be blocked up the rest of the way up. So this is going to be wide enough that you're going to be able to bring materials down here, and this was the key with what we're doing here, is being able to get larger materials down here without having an issue. We're going to lose 16 inches all the way around, so it's going to end up being much more narrow because of that. So just wanted to share that with you. I hope this helps. I hope you understand what I'm talking about here. We needed to open up those corners. We got that done this weekend. Jimmy worked his butt off down here, I'm not going to lie. He did a fantastic job. Next step is running a line out. We may have to dig in first more, so we have some place to actually sit back in and drive a drill through this way. So we're going to have to see how that goes, but that's kind of the game plan. We're going to work on that, and then, like I said, getting the concrete floor in and going from there. So we'll be working on that. Look at Mr. Frog. Hold on a second.
Want me to send the bucket down?
Nope. There he goes. Free! So, but anyway, so that's what we got going here. I hope this helps. I hope it makes you understand what we're doing. All right? So anyway, guys, remember, we truly are all in this together. We are one race called the human race. As soon as we can figure that one out, we truly will be in much, much better shape. Also remember to hug and kiss the ones that you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life. So it's really important that we tell the people that we care about every day how we feel. Last but not least, STD, step, thing, and day. One step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. I'm going to do something real quick just to kind of give you guys a little bit better perspective. Whatever you're trying to accomplish, whatever you're trying to do, the only person that is going to stop you from achieving that goal is you. Okay, there's the opening. So I'm going to stand here. Hopefully you can see my hands. Me standing on the ground, my arms, let's say they're 2.5 feet long. That's about 8-9 feet to that point. Okay, so very interesting as far as that goes. So anyway, stay focused, take care of your business, and you're going to be just fine. All right? I hope everybody has a great day, and I will talk to you later. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.